What if I told you that the thing on your fridge right now, yeah, the things that like holding your photos, is the thing that's gonna help you finally overcome your social anxiety? And I know it sounds weird right now, but bear with me. Because the thing is, I used to be that guy, bro. I used to be that guy who avoid every social situation just to spend his whole weekend playing video games. And even if I went into a social situation, not because I wanted to, I just keep scrolling through and pretending to be busy and pretending to be texting someone, but I was just fucking just scrolling through. I used to be that guy who'd rather get a zero than present in front of the whole class. I know, social anxiety had me fucked. But here's the truth that nobody is talking about. As guys, we're expected to just man up or just naturally be confident. But what if you're not? What if every social situation is just a minefield? It's like we are just fighting against ourselves inside our own head. Imagine this, right? You're at a party. Your friends just drag you there. You're standing in the corner, scrolling through your phone, and actually pretending to text someone. Your heart's just racing. Your palms are sweaty. And you're thinking, oh shit, everyone can see me. They can see how awkward I am right now. Or you might be thinking, oh, this guy has everything figured out what to say. Or you might be thinking, why can't I be just this normal person who can actually hold a conversation? I'm like, oh shit, I should say something. But what if I sound stupid? The thing is, that was me. That was me. It happened to me every single damn time. And the thing is, I tried everything. I tried watching TED Talks, motivational videos, how to be alpha male, reading countless Reddit posts about confidence, forcing myself to go out to more events to feel more like shit. And every time I go, it just gets worse. The constant loop of going out there, fucking it up, coming back, feeling like shit, going back again, having this constant cycle fucking me up every single time. And I even tried to do the fake it till you make it approach, but man, I just go back where I used to be. And want to know why it didn't work? Because I was doing this one thing that makes social anxiety worse. Like, makes it horrible. Then it came a moment that changed my whole entire damn life. So I was helping my small cousin with his science homework, right? And the thing is, yeah, trying to be cool, trying to be true cool cousin, helping him out and everything. Yeah, but I was dying inside, bro. I was dying inside. We were just messing around with some magnets and everything. And he asked me something so simple. He asked me, bro, why do some sides stick and other pushes away? And then it hit me. And I mean, literally fucking hit me. The magnet blew out my hand because it just repelled another one really, really strongly. And thing is, these magnets were strongly attracting each other or strongly pushing each other away. There was no in between or anything. Not trying to be neutral or trying to please each other's sides. And the thing is, that's when I actually realized I was trying to be this impossible magnet, one that attracts everybody but repels nobody. I was trying to be this fucking cool guy who everyone liked, but in reality, I was just becoming more invisible. But man, I didn't want to accept that at all. At first, I fought against it so hard. I doubled down on being more neutral, agreeing with everybody else, with everything they told me to do, pretending to love sports when I really, really liked to learn about psychology, philosophy, and actually do something about self improvement. I was hiding my actual interests because I thought that they weren't cool enough, acting different around different people. And the results? My anxiety just got fucking worse. Because now I wasn't just worried about being judged, I was getting fucking exhausted of playing these fucking 10 characters, 10 different personalities that I wasn't. Here's the truth that changed everything for me. Social anxiety is not lack of social skills. It's about trying so hard to not get rejected that you end up rejecting yourself. But actually think about it. You hide yourself. You hide things that you're really interested because you think people are gonna say something about it. You don't share your actual opinions because you might stand out. Try to act like the cool guys, even though you know you feel like fake. But just like a magnet, here's the reality. You need, and I mean you need to repel some people to strongly attract others. You have to be willing to be disliked, to be deeply respected. You must accept that not everyone will like you. And that's not just okay. That's how it's supposed to be working. And the thing is, once understood this weird principle, let's call it polarization, right? Everything started shifted. And I mean everything. Instead of trying to be liked by everyone, I started to sharing my own interest, like actual interest. Yeah, I prefer to talk about philosophy and build my own business or sports or cars. I'd rather have deep conversation than have some like small talk, like how the fuck, what weather is going on. I don't know what the hell. I don't care. But I do care about you. Let's talk about you. Let's talk about goals. What's your life purpose? Like, have you ever thought about that? Instead of some weather changing every single day. Second thing is like speaking my own opinions, being assertive. Like not in an aggressive way, of course, but in an honest, straight up way, without trying to please everybody. And third is showing your authentic personality. Maybe you're like somewhat weird personality or somewhat weird humor. Try to express it. You have to. How the fuck you gonna connect with people if you don't actually be honest about it, right? You have to play this whole game of faking yourself and end up being somebody who you are not. The thing is, after doing these three things, these small three things, some guys actually thought I was weird. And for me, weird is not something bad. Weird is something different. Something that nobody does it. That's people's weirdness. Because that's not what society prefers to think about. Because people think weird, I might be wrong here, but weirdness for me is like something different, something unique that I haven't seen before. Something curiosity, right? But other people, it might be weird because they never have thought about it. They have just following people. Oh, what's trend is going there? Oh, what the hell? The TikTok trend. They just follow what other people are doing. And some people didn't get it, and some social circle didn't welcome me. The thing is, I started making real friends who respected the real me. Women started finding my authenticity attractive. I built genuine connections with everybody. My anxiety actually fucking disappeared. Not completely, but I didn't have those intrusive thoughts. Anxiety, overthinking everything, because I was being myself. I wasn't trying to be somebody else. So here's how you can use this weird principle called polarization, I guess, in just 4 steps. 4 steps today. So the first one is identify. Identify your true self. What interests do you hide from others? What opinions do you keep quiet about? Second thing, you have to start small. You may sound fucking dumb as fuck, like, oh, start small. I'm not meant to be that. I like big actions, bro. You're never gonna start. You're never gonna start. You have to start small. To start small, you can pick one authentic thing about yourself. Share it. Share it with somebody else, like with close friends, somebody you trust. Watch what happens. Notice who respects you and who doesn't, because both reactions are good. Remember, you're a magnet, right? You need both sides to see which one repels, which one you attract. Third one, you have to embrace the rebel. And somebody seems to put off, remind yourself, this is completely normal. This is the part of the process. This means I'm doing something right. This means you're not failing. You're finally being real. And the fourth and final one, find your tribe. Pay attention to who respects you, your authenticity. Notice who asks you genuine questions and see who shares similar interests as you. These are your people. Trust them. And you know what's amazing? 400 people in our community have already discovered this magnetic way of living. They went from hiding who they are to actually enjoying social situations, just like I did. Look, if you're nodding along throughout this whole video, and if you're tired of feeling invisible and anxious in social situations, I want to personally welcome you to our community and join us. It's a free private community created for people just like us. The moment you join, you'll get one-on-one onboarding call with me. We're gonna give you exact plans to do things you can actually implement instead of just having some generic advice out there, a tailored step by step thing you can do right after the call. Plus, to a supportive community where we share wins, challenges, and real strategies that actually works. Like this one. If you're interested, just click the link in the description and I'll see you there. And one more thing, and here's a quote I will leave you, where Dr. Seuss said, "Those who mind don't matter, and those who matter don't mind." See you inside. And everybody else, take care.